The Apple iPhone 12 series may only be a few months old, but we were already hearing dozens of rumors about the iPhone 13 series. The iPhone 12 represented a major change for the iPhone series, with an all-new design, improved cameras, and more, but if rumors are to be believed, the iPhone 13 could be even more exciting. Here's everything we know about the iPhone 13 so far. iPhone 13 design. The iPhone 12 series brought major design changes to the iPhone, mainly due to the blockier design that took inspiration from the iPhone 4 and iPhone 5. Because of that, we don't expect many changes to the overall design and look of the iPhone 13, but we could still see a few tweaks. For starters, rumors indicate that at some point in the future, Apple will likely move to a port-free iPhone. Many experts view Apple's decision to bring MagSafe charging to the iPhone as the first step toward that reality. Whether or not it happens on the iPhone 13, however, is up for debate. Some rumors suggest that at least one model will do away with ports, and well-known analyst Ming-Chi Kuo said in 2019 that Apple would release a portless iPhone in 2021. It's doubtful that all models will be portless this year. Another persistent rumor is that the iPhone will get a smaller notch. Some rumors suggest that Apple wanted to include a smaller notch on the iPhone 12 as part of its new design, but was unable to do so, and so is instead targeting the iPhone 13 for that change. It's unlikely that the notch will be gone altogether, however Ice Universe, a well-known leaker on Twitter, says that the notch will be shallower. Last but not least, the iPhone 13 may bring back Touch ID. The pandemic has proven that, while facial recognition is cool, it doesn't always make sense, like when you have a mask on. Apple brought back Touch ID on the iPad Air and the power button, and while it's possible Apple could do the same on the iPhone 13, reports, like one from Bloomberg, says Apple may instead turn to an in-display sensor. iPhone 13 display. The iPhone 12 brought OLED display tech to the full iPhone 12 series, and as a result, the display experience on all iPhone 12 models is more or less the same. In 2021, however, Apple may give the iPhone 13 Pro models a different step up in the form of a 120Hz refresh rate. Rumors about high refresh rate iPhones have been circulating for years, and there was a time when many experts thought it would come on the iPhone 12. Earlier in 2020, however, rumors reported that battery drain issues had caused Apple to abandon 120Hz panels for the iPhone 12. As of now, according to Korean website The Elec, Apple will include LTPO technology on the iPhone 13 models, which would pave the way for a high refresh rate when necessary, and lower refresh rates at other times. This has been confirmed in a leak by Max Weinbach through YouTube channel Everything Apple Pro, which noted that the iPhone 13 will have a 120Hz display, and that it will actually be an always-on display, similar to what we've seen on some Android phones. Weinbach says that the always-on display will look like a toned-down lock screen, and will always show the time and the battery level. Notifications will show up too, but only part of the screen will reportedly light up to show the notification. It's unlikely that the standard iPhone 13 models will get the high refresh rate tech. Hopefully, they'll all get it in the iPhone 14 series though. iPhone 13 specs. There aren't too many rumors about the iPhone 13 specs under the hood, but there are some. Notably, according to John Prosser, some of the iPhone 13 prototypes offer a hefty 1 TB of storage, which is double the maximum capacity of the iPhone 12. Some other assumptions can be made about the iPhone 13 specs. Notably, the iPhone 13 will likely make use of a new Apple A15 chip, which is expected to stick with a 5nm process. Apple is investing billions into its chip making, with much of that research going to laptop-class processors like the M1. The A series will still likely get a performance boost, and will continue the tradition of being the most powerful mobile chip in the game. iPhone 13 cameras. The iPhone 12 didn't get as big of a camera upgrade compared to the iPhone 11 series, but it still represented a step up, especially when it comes to the larger sensors and the sensor shift tech on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Hopefully, that tech will come to lower-end iPhones in 2021, and rumors support that. One rumor, from display analyst Ross Young, suggests that all iPhone 13 devices will get the same sensors as the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Another rumor, however, suggests a different upgrade. According to an investor note from Barclays, all 4 iPhone 13 models will get an ultra-wide camera with an f1.8 aperture. It's important to note the TF International Securities analyst Ming-Chi Kuo disputes this, saying that only the iPhone 13 Pro models will get the wider aperture. Kuo does, however, say that the ultra-wide camera will get autofocus for the first time, which will be a major upgrade for the camera. Max Weinbach, through the Everything Apple Pro video, says that the iPhone 13 will put a heavier focus on astrophotography, and it will reportedly be an automatic mode to which the iPhone can switch. Weinbach also claims the iPhone will be able to capture a portrait mode video, and users will be able to adjust the bokeh effect after recording the video. Other rumors indicate that Apple may include a LiDAR sensor on all 4 of the iPhone 13 models, which should help make for faster autofocus in low light, and may play a role in future augmented reality tech. iPhone 13 pricing and release date. We don't have many rumors around pricing or release date, but it's expected that the phones will carry a price similar to that of the iPhone 12 series. Given the fact that supply chain issues will have been ironed out, the iPhone 13 series may launch in September instead of October, as Apple has traditionally done.